In today's competitive business environment, it's not enough to create great products, you also need to ensure your sales and service teams have the necessary knowledge and skills to effectively represent your offerings to customers. Welcome to this video on product knowledge training, which is the process of educating employees about the details, features, benefits, and applications of your company's products. Here are some reasons why product knowledge is important for organizations. Product training equips employees to handle customer inquiries and objections with confidence. Well-trained sales teams increase conversions by clearly and effectively communicating the product's features and benefits. Your organization will also have a competitive edge with employees possessing good product knowledge, setting it apart from competitors. Product training enables your employees to stay informed about updates, new features, and industry trends, and inspires innovative ideas for marketing and product improvement. Last but not least, investing in training boosts employee engagement and satisfaction, reducing employee turnover rates. Product knowledge training is a strategic investment for businesses, contributing to better customer service, increased sales, and overall organizational success. It ensures employees have the expertise needed to represent the company's products or services accurately and persuasively in the market. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.